Ending of last month, I ordered these two items from jumia.com.ng. So I needed a little bit upgrade on my YouTube journey. So I decided to spend just little money to upgrade myself. And the two items that I ordered from Jumia are here. And one of the two items that I ordered are this one. This is should I say affordable boom arm, or should I say cheap boom arm in the market. This one just cost me around the 10,800 naira. So you see, that's just like affordable or cheapest boom arm in the market. So then the second one is this one. This one is one of the cheapest microphone in the market, except this type that I'm holding. This one is wired microphone. This one is also wired microphone, but a kind of dex microphone. You can stand it on the dex and make your video. So this one is one of the thing I caught. So in this video, we're gonna be unboxing these two items to see what is really inside. And if I also have the time, I will also be test running both the boom arm and this mic on this platform. According to what I saw online before I purchased it, they say you can use it via your laptop, via your phone, or via iPhone, via Android or via iPhone. So I'm going to be unboxing it to make sure that what they listed in the item list are what is there. I should have opened it when I went to Jumia office, but I said let me bring it home and unbox it. So in this video, as we are going ahead, I will also tell you my little ugly experience from this Jumia pickup station when I actually went there at first time. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So like I said earlier, as I'm unboxing this, I'm gonna be sharing this just a little ugly experience from Jumia pickup station. So let's go ahead. So guys, this our unboxing is gonna be a little bit boring because I'll be holding this mic with this hand and try to unbox the product with this hand. Or let me try and insert it on my cloth and see how it goes. So let's now fast forward to our unboxing. So yesterday, being the Thursday, the 2nd of August this month, so I received message from Jumia that my products have arrived. Then I received another second message that my item may be delayed a little due to the end bad government protest. So then after a while, I searched for the one that said my item will be a little bit delayed due to end bad governance protest. I could not find the message. So I decided to head to their office to see if I could pick up my item. So on my way there, I decided to call the number that was attached to this particular product. So immediately I called the number, I noticed that the number was switched off. So I say, well, since the number is switched off, let me call their direct customer care, which is from their headquarters. And the other one also told me that their customer service is also unavailable. I should try them online, which I tried to do, and I couldn't get through, guys. So I was like, what is going on? And I needed to go pick this up because I wanted to see what I purchased. So I decided to go to the pickup station, even though I don't really know the exact place. So I went on and go to the pickup station, only for me to arrive there and I noticed that they are not functional. They are not actually there that day. That yesterday, nobody was there to attend to me. And one funny thing is that when I arrived there, I met two people on that pickup station, and they were telling me that they have been trying to contact the number attached to their product also, but it's not going through. It's also saying switched off. I said, wow, what is this? So after a while, they had some noise inside their office, and lo and behold, somebody was there. And these two people that I met there has been standing there for some time before I came. So someone was actually inside that office and they refused to answer them or even tell them that no, we are not functioning today. And the guy was inside that place. So immediately I heard the guy's voice. I was highly upset. So, and the guy just replied us from the inside that office that that the this thing, that the this thing is, their office, sorry, their office is not will not be opening that yesterday, that we should come back uh today. So I have to, leave the office and went home. So I was highly upset that this guy was actually inside that place and refused to attend to people that actually came to pick their product. So that's my first anger. So I left there that day after wasting my time and spending so much money for tea fare and the rest. So guys, that is my little ugly experience from Jumia pickup station. So as you can see, this is the boom mic. I think this thing is too tiny. It's too small, not tiny. It's too small for my liking. It's too small for my liking, guy. It's too small. Not that length. Not that long like I thought. Okay. The next one here is I think this one is for the okay. I think this will go here. Then tight it. I think this one will be tight. This one will be tight like this. To be tight like this, yeah. Then this one is going to the table. Gonna be attaching to you. So guys, we are done unboxing this particular one. So as you can see, this is how it looks like. You can see this is how it looks like. So it's a little strong. I will say it's very strong, kind of strong. Then this one is the mic holder. This one is the mic holder. I think this one is just for normal mic holder. Just normal mic holder. I don't think, the way I'm seeing this, don't think it's gonna work with this mic that I purchased. But I will try my best if it will work. If it doesn't work, I will look for alternative. So this is it, as you can see. So but I will not be tightening this here. I think this is gonna be coming from there or coming from this extreme end. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So this is it, guys. This is the one I'm telling you about, or that. This is the mic. This is the way it looks. You can see that. This is the mic. So let's go ahead and do the final unboxing. I pray the whole thing they told me will be here, will be inside, because if not, I'm gonna be very, very angry with them. So this is the carton. Let's keep it aside. I think this one is the manual. This one is the manual. Chinese. You can say this one is the manual. It's the manual. Configuration, microphone plus bracket plus data cable, how to use, supported pointing feature, heart shaped pointing, power supply, external power supply, 5 volts. Oh god. Okay, so I think we'll be keeping this particular one aside. Let's keep this aside and then go for what is inside the box and see how it is. So this is the cable. I think this is the only cable here. They do not attach that particular one, and this one will be going to the microphone. This one will be going to the system. So the The other ones they mentioned that will be here, I don't think it's here, but let's keep going. So as you can see, nothing else is here. This is the last thing that is here. So the rest they told me is gonna be inside the box. It's not actually there. So this is how the microphone looks like. So the next thing now is how do I get the one that will actually size my phone to work with. So the mic, one thing that makes me purchase the mic is the cancellation noise they said it comes with and the rest. It also has this I don't know what is this, it's kind of earpod jack. It has earpod jack. I don't know if this one is for, maybe if I want to listen to myself talking, I'll use it then. This one is the type C. You can see that. Then this one going to the system. So the microphone, the iPhone and the type C for normal Android that they told us will be there is not actually there. So I don't think this thing can work with this bone arm. Nowhere to attach it to. Nowhere. Don't think there's anywhere to attach this to. I don't think so. Don't think so. It will not work. But I will try it later. So this is my final unboxing. So what I did not find here now is this thing. What is it called? The type C and the iPhone port they listed in the this thing. So I'll be showing you the list of the things they say it's gonna be in this box on my screen. So this is my final unboxing. So I'll go ahead and wait. When they bring light, I will test it. So when I finally do, I will also update you guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you have watched this video to this lengthy, don't forget to subscribe, share for us so that we keep upgrading. Share to other people. You can also support this our channel with the super thanks or other things. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate all my active subscribers and my active viewers. Thanks a lot. Without you, we won't be in this journey. Thank you very much. I will never forget to update you guys on the sound of this mic and the rest. So thank you a lot. Bye.